Hello and welcome back to another review of diecast car with my name is Pulu, and today we are going to review the Hot Wheels Silver series of a Fast and Furious 2025. This is the latest series of Fast and Furious. Number 3 from 5 of a Datsun 240Z Custom, came in yellow from the racing course here. Nice. This is the artwork of this Datsun. This is the Datsun from inside the bubble itself. And there's 5 of them, which this one and this one I haven't found it yet, but this one I have seen it hanging on the pegs near the local store. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the barcode is the same as the latest villain series, I think. Okay, so villain or Fast and Furious previously before this one. Okay, let's go unboxing this. Okay, let's go. We're unboxing this Hot Wheels Silver Series Fast and Furious. This is the racing course Datsun 240Z Custom, yellow. Okay, let's go. We open it. Now, this one, the bubble, the blister is quite. Here. It's not gonna easy to break the bubbles here. Nice. Okay, and this is the Datsun from outside the bubble itself. Let's see from the left side first. This is from the left side of this car. No side mirror here, no mirror here. Door handle detail there, nice. The interior colored in black with a left steering wheels for this Datsun, and this is the way it looks for the front of this Datsun. The livery for the headlights there, nice. The engine that pop out from the hood is looking great. The bumper, the grille detail is also looking great. Right side is the same as the left side of the car here. This is a very clean car. There's nothing going on the body itself. And at the rear parts of the car, you can see the livery for the tail lights there, the brake light, the indicator lights, and the reverse lights. Nice. The ducktail is also looking great. The bumper is nice too. And this is the way it looks from the top. And this is the base for this Datsun. Datsun 240Z Custom, made in Thailand 2022 metal with some detail on the base.